I'm just here at a mate's property in Kilcoy and he's helping me set up a new campsite we found, and I think it's going to be great. But here's a quick video showing 20 things I like to take camping.
Filling this little hole just here to the left on that tree and a little bit at the back. I don't want to be tripping over that. Mute up there waiting. So I've got to reverse down here and then we go up into there like that. How you going? Great spot. I'm all set up. Let's have a look around. Fridge is packed up with all my beer essentials. This is where I keep all the good stuff. Cheers. Gotta have a fridge. What's that hanging in the tree? Well, that's my shower. And I just plug it in the back there. It's got the two 12-volt power outlets. I just screwed a bit of plyboard down for launching my drone or something, or just having a picnic, or a flat seat to sit on. Solar blanket plugged in. So this is me 200 watt solar blanket from Kings. Works a treat. 1100 watt Kings inverter, two 12 volt socket and two USB socket. That's 120 amp slimline battery. Built this little shelf. There's a bar with two legs going across underneath here, and it bolts into where the two seat belt brackets go. Some weather strips. Gets real hot here and I just crack them down underneath there just in case a storm comes out of nowhere. This is my bin. Pantry. Put them inside an esky in here. So inside that box in the esky, I have those Woolworths bags. So that's the pantry. Kitchen, 3 burner gas stove here. And this side, sink. Just come in here, flick the switch, lift this up, water. And what I like to do is those little collapsible buckets from BCF underneath your sink drain so that it doesn't wet all the area in your kitchen. UE beam speakers, and one in this corner. Here on the ground I've got these leather blankets. No, I'm not going to get anything stabbed in my foot. I've raked it off a little bit to make it more level and flat. Here are some of my favourite tools that I like to bring with me on the trip. Milwaukee fan, one kind of ecosystem. Easy to charge, quick to charge, good batteries, good tools, not sponsored. Another thing I like to have, high lift jack, comes in handy whether I'm bogged, I can get my max tracks underneath, or I want to level up my camper trailer. Shovel and a rake. I like these tools, I use them a lot. I can flick my fan on just here, sit in this chair, comfortable, fly screen kind of material that's just in there, and it keeps you cool. But I got a bum pillow, a lumbar support pillow, put them together in combination with the right posture. It's good, just living the dream. You'll notice I got a lot of benches, painter's trestle here and here. That's in case I get any visitors. And then I've got this bench here. I can put things here while I'm eating or getting set up with my camera gear. Got the fan, place to sit back and just chill, read a book. Really peaceful. We've looked at my fridge, my power, my pantry, my kitchen, the weather shields, bucket underneath the sink, kettle cooling in the creek, the shower hanging in a tree. You got benches, you got a high lift jack, tools, fan to use, leather blankets on the ground, set yourself up a cover, keep out of the weather. So yeah, let's have a look inside. One of my favourite little toys I like to bring along if I've got the space. This is my Takamane guitar, and I love just having a bit of a jam by the campfire at night. Drone, Osmo gimbal, Rode Mic Pro, DJI Pocket, hardware for my GoPros, charging and connectivity equipment. In this box I've got lighting, camera bag with a few different lenses. I've got some carpet rolled out here on the floor, clothes in a big bag, easy to get at, boots, shoes, socks, jocks, shirts, jeans. You know, just dress appropriately for the weather. Make sure you bring your Toiletries Portaloo. Get one of these, costs bugger all, so easy to use. It saves you having to run out in the middle of the night to dig a hole in the bush and do number twos, make a mess of the place. They're a real must have. And last night I was actually a little bit cool, so fire was good. Need to do a weed. Here I got my rake and a shovel, put in this little track. Go get some more wood. Getting the Milwaukee batteries charged up. Lightweight strap, some carabiners each side,